everyone. This is Neelam Patel, and today I'm going to talk about women empowerment. Let me move on to the next one. So, many of you, almost everyone, would know what women empowerment is all about, but just in case, I would like to reiterate what it is. So, it's a process in which we, women, we elaborate and we recreate ourselves as to what we are, what we do, and what we accomplish in situations where we have been getting denied. And it's not just us, it's also the outside world. It's a society where we are accepting and getting them in that circle where they also get into that decision making process and accept us and empower us. Okay? Coming to the next slide, a little bit history about the contribution and where we are today, the contribution to that. So since Vedic times, we know women across the world, they have been facing violence, crime, abuse. And along with women standing as a force in spirituality, every man has been taught to treat every woman with respect. However, with this world getting modernized and all the negativities outside, these teachings, people have started to forget these teachings. And we have been seeing a decline, a deterioration in how women are being treated. So that's when Arya Samaj movement that contributed to this problem, where it was a progressive movement, not just for everyone, especially for the women in our society, where some of the problems like child marriage, abolition of sati, and also education, and there were much more where extensive efforts have gone in. And today, what freedom we are enjoying, the benefits we are enjoying, that plays a critical role in that. So what's happening in here? We have benefited now, but where do we grow from there? Are we there yet? And if not, then let's look at some of the current state statistics where I'll just touch upon some. Yeah, violence is there. If we see 38% of the murders of women are being committed across the globe by their partners itself. There is something called as a leadership gap that has come in, where these days the world is talking about the invisible glass ceiling problem that women have been facing in this world, where let's pick up financial services. Even though we have 61% accountants, we have 53% financial managers, but still there's just 12.5% who have been able to make it to CFOs of these companies. And there is some statistics around political participation too, where there is, globally, we have 27 states in which women account for around not even 10% of the parliament seats. Okay? So what do we do about it? Starting from ourselves, okay, we have at the Samaj, we would encourage that the women of our Samaj, they continue with our teachings, our traditions, take it forward, share it with other people that we come across in our lives on a daily basis. And every change, I believe, everyone believes that every change starts from our home itself. A woman in a home, she plays different roles. She's a daughter or a daughter-in-law. What does she need? Women don't expect much in their lives, okay? Very little. I see some faces smiling, okay? Men especially smiling. Okay, that was on a lighter note. But our daughters or daughter-in-laws, okay, they don't need to be treated how they need to be a lady. All they need is when they go into the outside world, they need that weapon with them that they can set the expectation that how she needs to be treated as a woman in the outside world. We have a wife, and for men, okay, you'll have that significant other woman. All she needs is that there's loyalty, there's truthfulness, there's honesty in that relationship. There's commitment in that relationship. We have mothers or our mother-in-laws, okay? What do they expect? It's all the love, respect, and the support over their life that they expect from us. So let's continue with that, okay? And that's how we, in our homes, we will empower, we will encourage our women to get into that outside world. And not just, and then coming, why just men? Okay, when we go out, okay, there's women too. When we get into our society, at our work, we work with other women where we have faced problems like women don't share the information or the skills with other women at work or in the society. Let's break that barrier. Let's support each other, right? And that's when we women will support each other along with men, that's when incredible things will start happening. And last but not the least, I would like to thank you. That's all I had. Thank you because for me, I come to Arya Samaj every Sunday, and every Sunday in Chicagoland group, I have been welcomed with warm smiles, open hearts, and instantaneously in day one, I was like a daughter to everyone. And thank you for that.